back, everyone. In this module, we will discuss transaction monitoring, which is the core activity of AML operations. Transaction monitoring means continuously reviewing customer transactions to identify suspicious or unusual activity. Once a customer is onboarded and KYC is completed, the AML job does not stop. In fact, this is where AML becomes active. Banks monitor transactions to detect money laundering, detect fraud, identify unusual behavior, comply with AML regulations. Transaction monitoring answers one key question: is the customer using the account in a way that makes sense? AML is not about stopping all unusual transactions, it is about identifying suspicious patterns. This is why transaction monitoring is continuous and ongoing.